Hey, I'm Fish. This video sample is for everyone to use and edit to see if 360 is for you. The camera is about, got it, elbow to the hand's length. I'm going to extend it to what I believe may be a 360 two-in-one selfie stick. I'm going to walk and I'm going to allow you to make a decision on this video if the product may be for you. I'm going to go nice and slow, and you could edit the video, learn how to take it off of deep track, learn how to do 360 video, 2D video, learn how to do panoramic video, learn how to do any type of video. I'm going to head over to the water, and I'm on the side like this holding a stick, and I'm going to turn the water on. There we go. I am going to now take the selfie stick, bring it in. My hand's always going to be in the way, and I'm going to raise it up as high as I can, which will be 6 feet to me. So I'm 8 feet away, and now I'm going away from the water. I'm going to walk around the opposite way because the wind is blowing the water. What I'm going to do is take the selfie stick, bring it up overhead. I'm going to leave it there for a few seconds so you can make a video looking around as if you're walking and looking down like a drone. What I'm going to do is swing it over to the back, over the shoulder, and 90 degrees. Now I'm going to walk around in a circle back to the bicycle. This video is going to be very long. Put it on a Google Drive, Dropbox, or other web host site you can share. There are 2 files you need. I'm going to bring it up and around and forward. I'm going to bring in the selfie stick, normal walking height. Check out the squirrel. You need the LRV file and you need the INSV file. Those are the 2 files you need. There you go. You have everything that you need to make a video. I am hoping that you'll enjoy the shot, share it to the world, make it your own. Courtesy of Fishycomics. Enjoy the video, and thank you. The one thing I want to say is, when I bring in the selfie stick, and I bring it in closer, this is what happens with 360. Do not mind my hand. You can kind of see my hand and the stick a little bit. This is not meant for you to come in and be this particularly close. You can see where my hand is and walk like so. You need to have a telescopic pole in order to make your video. And when you bring it in real close, and I'm going to end the video within 2 seconds, and you look like this, you get the funny look of everything. Have a great day. I'm Fish. See ya! Show some love!